I was sent this Artistro Watercolor paint set to try for myself and offer my thoughts. As an artist, I love to try new products, and I accepted this opportunity to specifically check out the metallic and fluorescent colors included in the palette. The metal tin includes 48 paint pans. The travel watercolor set gives you the ability to paint with watercolors at home or while traveling. Everything you need is included in this watercolor set, including brushes and paper. It comes in a stylish metal tin, making it easy to carry around and also looks great on the shelf. The paints are non-toxic, so it's appropriate for children ages 3 and up as well. Personally, my first task when working with a watercolor palette is to swatch the colors to get a sense of the hue, vibrancy, and color payoff. I was really impressed with the quality of the pigments, and I was really happy to see how well the metallic colors performed. As with all watercolors, the depth of color can be built on, and once dried, the colors darkened and the metallic shimmer became even more striking. Overall, this is a fantastic set that's perfect for anyone looking to dive into watercolor painting, and it would make a great gift for advanced and beginner artists. I hope this overview and demonstration was helpful. Thanks for watching.